Lost your drive? Let me show you how to reignite it in seconds. Do you feel like doing absolutely nothing these days? The problem may not be your lack of willpower. It might be that your motivation system has stalled somewhere inside. Here's the fastest way to get your motivation back right now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell because even love needs a little commitment. Maslow's 5 levels. Maslow said, human needs stack like a pyramid. Physiological needs, safety, belonging, esteem, and finally, self-actualization. If the bottom isn't met, dreams and ambitions are just clouds in the sky. If you're burned out, ask yourself first, am I eating well, sleeping well, and safe? Herzberg's 2-factor theory. Ever had a pay raise, but the excitement faded in a week? Herzberg explains why. Salary and work conditions are hygiene factors. They remove dissatisfaction, but don't make you truly motivated. Real drive comes from motivation factors like achievement, recognition, and growth. XY theory. How others see you and how you see yourself shapes your behavior. Theory X. People are lazy and need constant control. Theory Y. People want to grow if given trust and opportunity. Treat someone like X, they'll act passive. Treat them like Y, they'll act proactive. Self-determination theory. There are 3 buttons more powerful than money: autonomy, competence, and relatedness. The freedom to choose, the feeling you're good at something, and the sense you're part of a team. When all 3 are pressed, inner motivation explodes. Smart goals. I'll work out more has a 99% failure rate. Run for 30 minutes at the gym, now that works. Clear, measurable, realistic, challenging, with a time limit, that's a smart goal. Expectancy theory. Motivation is the product of 3 beliefs. If I try, will I succeed? If I succeed, will I be rewarded? Is the reward valuable to me? If any answer is 0, your motivation is 0. Equity theory. You may be happy with your salary until you find out your colleague earns more. People care more about fairness than absolute rewards. The moment something feels unfair, motivation collapses. Flow. Ever played a game so engaging you lost track of time? That's flow. When challenge and skill match perfectly, self-consciousness disappears and time flies. Make your work like this, and you'll never need external motivation again. Intrinsic versus extrinsic motivation. Pay a kid who loves drawing for each picture, and soon they'll only draw for money. Intrinsic motivation comes from joy in the activity itself. Extrinsic comes from rewards or punishments. Use extrinsic rewards to support, not replace, intrinsic drive. Achievement motivation. Achievers seek challenges, take responsibility, and want feedback. Failure avoiders choose only what's safe or impossible. Do you act to win or just to avoid losing? Progress principle. Small progress is more motivating than big rewards. Daily wins fuel long-term goals. Environment design. Don't rely on willpower alone. Design your environment to trigger action. Lay out your workout clothes, clear distractions, and schedule key work early. Balancing motivation. External rewards spark the start. Sustained drive comes from inner joy, meaning, and fun. Essence of motivation. Motivation isn't a flame that burns out. It's an ember kept alive through habits and environment. Trust yourself. Give yourself opportunities, not just orders. When motivation fades, don't just blame willpower. Check your needs, your environment, your goals, and your rewards. Build daily wins into your life, and even on lazy days, you'll move forward automatically. Let's stick to it together.